The handle is drifting again. Let's talk about the waist stick. Okay, let's install the soldering iron, joystick, screwdriver, and let's fix it. Just prepare something to pry it up. It's very simple. There's a clip here. Clip it. Clip this clip, and then bend it here to open it. Be sure to pay attention to the cable. The cable here is easy to break. Pay attention. There's a stage cable here. It is easy to break. Be careful. Then put the battery in. Pay attention. There's also a microphone cable here. Be careful. Then there are 2 screws here. Pay attention. There's another cable here. Then we can take it off. Don't forget to remove the cables of the motors on both sides. Then we are ready to start disassembling the joystick. Pay attention here. Players with poor hands-on skills must not try it. Don't try it. You must find a professional. Okay, let's continue. The most troublesome thing about stepping on the waist stick is the thickness. Let's continue. For example, we can treat the small suction point as a drum beat, otherwise it will be difficult to disassemble. Finally, it is disassembled. After disassembling it, we use this W to spray a little on the dead man and brush it around. After brushing, install this boss and test it. Let's install this side and this side. After installing it, don't rush to weld. Let's try it first. Press the computer to test it first. The purpose of welding is to check whether the joystick in your hand is normal. If you install it without testing, if the joystick is broken, you have to disassemble again. You must test it first and then weld it. Let's start welding. If it doesn't stick, then use some flux to weld. There are no special requirements. Just weld it. After all are welded, let's start calibrating the joystick. Then let me talk about it here. Let's use this thing to calibrate it first. First, unplug this wire and then plug it in. Use this to do a basic calibration. This will be more popular. Then connect it. Then first calibrate the center of the joystick. Follow his operation and start calibrating. He said, then go to the upper left corner, right? Both of our left foot sticks go to the left and back foot. You must take the upper right corner. Okay, this side is calibrated. Then let's wait a moment. The range of the joystick slowly rotates the joystick, right? Let's turn the left and right first. Then it's okay. Everything here has been installed. Let's disconnect it and use this to test it. It's basically accurate, but it's still a little bit upwards, right? The left and right waist feel a little bit upwards, right? So let's pick the 2 on the left first. Pinch the 2 holes with tweezers and then gently chew down, okay? Then the one on the right is also a little bit downwards, right? Just adjust it here and it'll be fine. If you have the cheaper one on the left, just pinch the 2 holes on the left and bend it to the left. If I am like this, if it floats like this, just pinch the 2 holes on the left and push it to the right. If it is like this, just pinch the 2 holes and push it to this side. If you don't understand, just ask me or check the tutorial yourself. After calibration, solder the motor wires, red on the bottom and black on the top. The red wire is at the bottom and the black wire is at the top. Let's not forget to install the motor wires, red on the bottom and black on the top. After soldering, let's start the installation and put it back. Put the joystick cap back, and then don't forget that we still have this here. Put the speaker back in. This should be the speaker, right? This is the speaker. Put the speaker back in. Just like this on this side, then buckle it back and put it back. Put on. There's a flat cable here. There's a flat cable here. Be careful to pass it through this hole first. Okay, look at me. Install these 2 flat cables. Don't forget to install this one and put this one here. Put it in this hole and bring in the middle. Okay, then pinch it and insert it in. Tighten the screws of the motor. Tighten it, and then we put the battery on. Don't forget that there is another flat cable. Pay attention. This flat cable is particularly easy to shorten. Be gentle. After installation, we will buckle the shell and test it. After installation, let's try it, and there is no big problem. Put the collar screws in. Okay, install the last 2. There are 2 more screws at the end. Don't forget to install it. There are 2 more screws here. Glue them directly on the face. Just buckle the last one. It's a simple installation. That's it. If you don't understand, you can look at the comment area or send me a private message. I am Zhu Jiang. Follow me and show you more fun choices.